So if you behave well, if you speak, if you smile, you can get a lot of merits. And you might get some demerits. Don't do that. Okay, now we can sit down on the carpet. So please sit down, everybody. That's right, yay! Everyone is here. So, my name is Rima. I'm your teacher. I'm your supervisor. Yeah? Hello.
Hello,
My name is Rima. What's your name?
my name is Alona.
Okay, good. Alona, what color is this?
Green color.
Good, very good. Hello, my name is Rima. What's your name?
My name is Em.
Oh, okay, and what shape is this?
This is square.
This is a square. Good job, Anne. Very good. I am Rima. What's your name?
My name Masha.
Is Masha. Let's say together.
My
Name
is Masha.
very good. Masha, do you know what color is this? Your name?
My name is Veronica.
Veronica. Okay. Are you a girl?
Yes.
That's by the program. It should know who's boy and who's. Yes, please.
I want to ask you.
Yes. Yeah, I will. We go in a circle. Yes. Want some merits? Yes. Good. Okay. Listen to your friends. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Rima. What's your name?
My name is Helen.
Nice. Good. Helen, what shape is this?